Hey everyone! So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to create a professional resume in Google Docs step by step. Google Docs makes resume creation easy, free, and accessible from anywhere. First, go to docs.google.com and sign into your Google account. On the homepage, click Template Gallery and choose a resume template that fits your style. Replace the placeholder text with your personal information like name, email, and phone number. Next, write a short professional summary that highlights your skills and goals. Add your work experience with clear bullet points explaining your responsibilities, then update the education section and list relevant skills. Customize the formatting using the toolbar, keeping everything clean and professional. Your resume saves automatically. To download it, click File, then Download, and choose PDF format. And yeah, that's how to create a resume in Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.